What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your Monday Madness on 7 February, and we're going to talk about what happened today and what to look forward to the rest of this week. But what I need you to do is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab. All the tools and tidbits and links are right there at your fingertips. And go to our website because we are revamping it and making it the true one-stop shop hub for everything Traders War Room. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. All right, this is the legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and education only. You're responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Traders War Room website is live now. Listen, this is transitioning to be our one-stop shop for everything products and services, okay? So make sure you come take a look at what we got on offer. We're constantly updating it, constantly refining it, making it better and better every single time. So check it out often, and thank you. And don't forget to come check us out on our flagship, okay? The Traders War Room Discord. Listen, the true one-stop shop for everything stock-related, market-related, investing-related, no matter whether you're a beginner or advanced. We got the real-time buy and sell alerts. We got the live trading, Zoom, one-on-one mentoring. We got free and paid services. So we got something for everybody, guys. The true one-stop shop, genuine place that people are coming to connect and grow, learn, and share together. So come check us out today. You won't be disappointed. All right, and we're getting to the end of the video. I want you guys to take advantage of our Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring session. Check the description, go to the website, hit us up on the email so that you guys can get some info on this, and we'll schedule you up and get you squared away with that one-on-one mentoring. If you need it, we got you covered. All right, let's get right into it, man. Here's how your markets closed. The Dow's up, NASDAQ and S&P were down, and we're still paying attention to the bond and treasury yields and things of that nature. So definitely high priorities on those type of items, and we got to make sure that we're watching them close. All right, and here's your movers and shakers. And yes, we got charts on some of these, but definitely we saw a lot of movement in Foon. Peloton, Snap, Facebook, Ford, SPY, and AMD were the big volume pushers today. Here's how our sector performance ended up on the day. Definitely saw energy still popping and communication services was lagging. Overall, your market kind of looked like this at the end of the bell. Definitely saw some Microsoft, some Apple, some Google, some Facebook, some of those big juggernaut type of companies not doing so well, which probably pulled down some of the indexes that we saw. Here's your total call versus put volume. We saw a lot of numbers going in for Tesla, a lot of numbers in for Facebook, SPY, Uber, DWAC, Amazon, the Qs. Definitely got some big money coming into some of the big tickers that we follow every day. Big news item today, everyone was talking about Frontier to buy Spirit Airlines, okay? Definitely, they're going from some of the smaller airlines. They're going to merge together, and I guess they're going to become the 5th largest airline after it's all said and done. So we're paying attention to a couple of these tickers because sometimes with the mergers and acquisitions, you see the individual stocks that are associated with them have a little bit of a surge. So definitely SAVE is one of those tickers that's on our radar. Other top new, EV battery giant LG Energy Solutions sees sales up 8% in 2022. So we're paying attention to some LG. Definitely starting to see the EV sector that has been hammered for a while. We're starting to see them get some movement and some momentum, at least in the news, which tells me that we're probably in for kind of a bump in those particular stocks. So we got to pay attention and watch them because when the iron's hot, we got to strike. And Tesla received subpoena from U.S. securities regulator over 2018 settlement. So definitely we're paying attention to this because anything PR related with Tesla affects the stock. So if you see something positive, Tesla surges. You see negative news, Tesla dumps. So we'll have to see if this is already played into the stock price, but definitely paying attention to it as we move forward and going on this week. So Tesla is definitely on the radar for some sharp declines, but when it drops sharply, we can also catch it on the way back up because it likes to pop. All right, so enough about the business news side of the house. Okay, let's talk about some stocks, man. We got some big earnings coming in this week, so let's look at some stock charts and see what we got cracking going into this week and see what we can make some money on. So on everyone's radar, big talk is about Peloton, okay? There's some big movement with Peloton. There's some also talk with some big juggernaut companies trying to, do a merger or an acquisition of it. Nike was in the talks, Amazon was in the talks, Google was in the talks, Apple was in the talks. So we'll see if some of the talk is just that and it's only talk, or if there's some action behind it. So definitely Peloton, we're paying attention to it. Snap still surging on its recent movement, and we're flagging right now. So I definitely like Snap moving forward. I think that we can break out of this to the upside and we can go on and pass $40 and on to 41 and start making our new highs out of the pattern. But we're consolidating right now, so it may take a couple days, but I do think that we're going to see that volume coming in and we're going to go to the upside very near future. Facebook's still getting low, man, and we're at the bottom of the fibs. Okay, now listen, Facebook definitely had some negative PR, but right now, everyone's eyeballing Facebook, asking when is the bottom, where is the bottom, and right now, this is looking real enticing for people to grab shares going long on this particular company. So I got a feeling that we may see a little bit more bottom pressure, but we're almost at the bottom to where we're going to probably start seeing the sharp reversal moving forward. All right, Pfizer's on everyone's mind. Definitely starting to peak out and break out of the pattern that was in. We're hitting the top level of the fib line. I got a feeling we'll probably break through that and then have a cool down period after that before we start going on to making higher highs and higher lows. So definitely paying attention to Pfizer. I am bullish on this one moving forward. BP Energy's been on a rise, and I like BP moving forward. I think we're just in the cool down period right here, and I think that we continue to make higher highs. Definitely energy and these gasoline companies are kind of a supply and demand 101 type of issue. So, the supply is limited, the demand is high, the price shoots up usually. So I like this one probably shooting above that top level fib line there and moving on to higher highs and higher lows. LYFT, another trade that we got going on into this week. I like LYFT where it's at. I think it's consolidating, and I think we're going to probably press up and go up to that top fib line. I would not be surprised if we start to shoot above $40, and hopefully they have spectacular earnings, and we'll see a cool down period going into earnings. But if they can kill it on earnings and show that future growth that the analysts are talking about, I think we pop hard on this one. And last chart to save, this was that airline that's supposed to do that merger and acquisition thing with that other airline I was talking about. We're in between the 80 percentile and the 100 percentile fib line. So I like where we're at right here. I think sometimes when these mergers happen, the lower stock that is being bought or, that isn't the one that's going into the merger as heavy as the other one, it starts to see some of that volume and some of that pressure. So I do like save going in. We're down a little bit in after hours, but I think this thing will do fairly well. And I think we'll probably start to see some volume going to the buy side on this one. And this thing will pop probably up and test that top level fib line, which is good for us. And I'd be looking for calls on this particular ticker. All right, now let's talk about some upcoming classes, man. Listen, I told you the website is becoming our hub, our one-stop shop for everything, man. We got a direct URL to upcoming classes. It's right there, traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. See everything we have upcoming and register right from the website and get your link via email. So let's see what we got coming near term. All right, first one we're talking about is how to trade algo signals, man. The hottest trading trend that's going on in the market right now. We are going to teach you how to trade these signals, man. When they come through, what do they mean, how to trade them, and how to make freaking bank, okay? This Saturday, 12th February at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, man, we are going to break it down. These things are making people money. These things are fire. If you're interested, you need to get this class. Go to the website, upcoming classes, and register today and get it in your email. Next up, we got how to trade consistently for huge profit, man, on Saturday, 19 February. Listen, we got our 7-figure mentor coming back, and he's going to teach you more tips and more tools and more secrets that has made him a multimillionaire over the years, okay? Yes, I said a millionaire. And if you have dreams and aspirations of wanting to be a millionaire, you need to learn from the millionaires so that you can be a millionaire. This is the class for you. Again, go to the website, go to upcoming classes, register today, get the link in your email. Don't hesitate. Do it now. $15. Dude, is a freaking steal. Invest in yourself. And a doubleheader on that weekend. Listen, Saturday, 20 February with Pastor Prince, man. Popular demand. We're bringing him back, guys. He's going to teach every single one of you that registers for this class how to make the perfect entries and exits so that you consistently win more often than not with your trades. Listen, this guy's a master at perfecting the entry and exit points for trades. This is one of those classes that if you have troubles getting in and getting out and making consistent money, this is the class for you, okay? So again, at the website, upcoming classes, register today and get the link in the email. And listen, you guys can't make it to the live playing of the class, don't worry about it, okay? Every person that makes a purchase and is verified gets to record the link via the email, okay? So you don't have to be there, but follow the email, register so you are on the automated distro list. So when the video's done queuing up, you get it first and you don't have to email us back being like, hey, where's my link? Get registered, you'll get it in your email, and it's an automated process. Don't hesitate, invest in yourself. $15, man, come on. No one else is doing this out here but Traders War Room. And that's a video, guys. Listen, here's our flagship right here, the Traders War Room Discord. Listen, it is the true one-stop shop. I promise you, man, there's a lot of Discords out there doing a lot of great things, but they're not doing it like Traders War Room is, okay? And especially they're not doing it for the price that we're offering. I promise you guys, you come over there, you try out our premium side, you're not going to regret it, and you're going to become a member, and you're going to be like, damn, why was I on these other servers before, man? I've been missing out. But we got something special and we're doing something right. Now, I want you guys to remember, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone or a trader's war room. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles. We're doing it together as a team, as a community of like-minded investors. And if that sounds something that you can rock with and you want to get on this journey with us and come roll with us, then that's great. Then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war.